Good afternoon, viewers, Facebook, followers. Good afternoon, and thank you for watching. Today I am going to attempt to replace my spark plug wires and the I forgot what you call them, but I'm replacing all of this on my automobile today. So I've already loosened the nuts there. The next thing I got to do is take them off. Take these off and then go down in there and take the spark plugs off. And once I get all that done, I'm going to be replacing my filters from in here. I have to take these off. And I also have to replace the filter that's underneath there. So my day is going to be pretty busy today. If you'd like to come along and watch, that's fine. But once I'm done with it, I will certainly let you know how it went. Thanks for watching.